about to make some shrimp cakes. And right here I got about 35 large shrimp. I have some onions already previously chopped. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to cut these shrimp all into pieces, and I'm going to cook them in the pot for about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. I have the onions chopped up along with the shrimp already deveined from the store. I'm going to place this in a pot skillet with 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to let it saute for a little while. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper to it, some pepper, a little bit of fine herbs, and some seasoning salt. Be right back. Okay, I have my butter already sauteed. Turn on medium heat. I'm going to add the onions. Them for a little bit. Also going to add the shrimp. It's already chopped, and let them cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. And they'll be done. And the shrimp won't take long. Get this open now. Stir this all in. Like I said, guys, 3 to 4 minutes. Let that cook. I'm gonna add my seasonings to it. I'm going to add the black pepper. A little bit of seasoning salt. Cayenne pepper. And that's it. A little bit of herbs, fine herbs. Yeah. 3 to 4 minutes or until it's pink, guys. So I'm just going to let this go ahead and cook, and I'll be right back. Would you look at that? It's all done. Start the next process. I'm going to empty all this into a medium-sized bowl. Okay, here we go. I have added 2 large eggs to the shrimp and the onions. I'm going to stir it in, mix it well. You can use your gloves if you want to. I'm just using this. Mix it all in. Or you can do it with your hands. However, mixing it all in. And then I have breadcrumbs. I have Italian breadcrumbs I'm going to add to it. Make sure you have enough breadcrumbs so when you grab it and stick it together, everything stays together. Okay? So I'm adding enough. It's not enough yet. It's definitely not enough. Also going to show you guys how to make a dipping sauce for the crab cakes. Make sure you put enough so you know that it's going to stick. It's going to stick together. It's not going to fall apart. You don't want that. Trying to make shrimp cakes, which they're going to stay together. This will make about 4. For nice sizes. Be right back. Okay guys, my shrimp cakes are all ready to go. I'm gonna actually cook them in the air fryer, but I'm gonna put them on bake. I'm gonna put them on bake and I'm gonna let the temperature get warm on 350. Then I'm gonna let them cook on each side for approximately 3 minutes. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is I am going to spray the pan with the cooking spray, some olive oil. Then I'm going to place, let me see how many fit in here. It's already preheated. I'm putting them too close together. You can actually fit 5 in here. 5 will definitely work. See, definitely put 5 in there. Okay. It starts right up. I'm gonna let that cook on this side for 3 minutes and the other side for another 3. This is how it looks after it come out of the air fryer. Make sure you put enough butter with your mix when you're mixing your shrimp cakes together so it can stick together, because I lost a couple because of that. And this is my Reese Dip sauce for the shrimp cakes. I'm going to show you how to make it next. Okay guys, this is how I make my Reese's dipping sauce. I have some crema that I put in there. I actually have 2 tablespoons of the crema in here. About the same with the mustard, but I do Dijon chardonnay mustard by French's. About 2. Then I will add a teaspoon full of garlic. Teaspoon full of garlic. Minced garlic. Hot chicken flavor sauce that you get from Amazon. Yes. I'm going to add a teaspoonful of this. Dump that. A half a teaspoonful of the accent to enhance the flavor. half a teaspoonful of lemon. I actually use the regular lemon, the real lemons, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use it's natural lemon. It's real lemon. Okay. And then I'm going to take 2 pinches of the fine herbs and add it. 2 pinches. And then I'm going to stir it. Here's the dipping sauce. Didn't make as much as I made the last one, but yeah. So dipping sauce. Eat it with any kind of seafood, meat. You can actually eat it with anything because it's so good. Okay, guys.